Hello, my name is Christian Valencia and I'm going to present my project for ME305, the one that is right here. My project contains a control remote for the input. I'm using a LCD screen for the display. I'm using for the sensor an ultrasonic sensor and a servo motor as my actuator, which is right here. My project has three main functions. The first function, which is the default function, is to calculate the distance in metric units, but you can change the units to metric, which is 4, or to imperial, which is number 5. The second function is to calculate average speed, and which also you can calculate in metric units or imperial units, also with 4 and 5. And the third function is to move the servo motor, the sensor that is right here, using the servo motor pushing number 3, going in a counterclockwise motion, or you can also go in a clockwise motion with number 6. And you also have the default position, which is right now, which is number 9. So right now I'm going to show you the function of distance in metric units. I set a default that if it's bigger than 2 meters, it's going to show 0 centimeters. But right now I'm going to use a book in order to show how far it is from the sensor. So I'm going to use this book right here. And I'm going to place right there. So it says 13 centimeters. Now I'm going to change the units to imperial units with number 5. And now it's in imperial units, as you can see, inches. I will use the same book to show the distance that is working right now. So I'm gonna use this book again. I'm gonna place it right here, and it shows that it's 4 inches far. The second function, which is to calculate the speed, is with number 2. So I'm gonna press number 2. And we are in the speed mode, and it's in inches right now, but I can change it to in metric units, which is with number 4. So I'm gonna push number 4. And we are in centimeters. I'm going to put a book right now, so in order to see if it stays static, it should show 0 centimeters because there is nothing moving. But if I move this book, you're gonna see that it changes the speed. I can do it even faster, and you're gonna increase the speed. You can do it also with imperial units, which is number 5, and there it is. The last function is the rotation of the servo motor. So if I push 3, I'm gonna go counterclockwise. You push 6, gonna go clockwise. And if you push 0, you can go to the original position. I mean 9.